Well, the way the faculty have developed has largely been word of mouth. We started with colleagues that I and others close to the founding of M+Vision had, and then we know people, and then they know people, and we bring them in through personal networking, the way many things form. So while we have an open door, the recruitment, if you will, is a personal one. And the second part of recruitment is we want people who are involved to really be involved. Not everybody doing everything, but it isn't just to get your name on a list. So everybody who you see as a faculty member has actually done something. And that leads to a real engaged community that then thinks about how do you go next. So from that standpoint, that's been the way we've been able to grow the consortium. I think the biggest challenge in describing the consortium has been to make it clear that it isn't only about the fellows program, but that it's really about developing a network of people so that we can develop people to make Madrid an epicenter for biomedical imaging. I think people have been have understood relatively easily that making Madrid an epicenter for biomedical imaging means it has to be a global network. I anticipated that to be a hard problem, but at least within the faculty, I have not perceived that as to be a particularly challenging problem. The most challenging the thing that's been the most challenging to describe is the fellows program. That if you're a faculty, say, who's used to having postdocs, you immediately assume you know what the fellows program is because you know about the postdocs that come to your lab. Or if you're a physician, you know what physician fellows are, so you know what that means. And we aren't the same as any of those. We almost wish we had called it something different than a fellows program.